Wow, one lake is there, just 2 kilometers ahead from the Mandaragiri hills. See the serene. What a beautiful lake. People are taking bath as well. We don't have dress, otherwise we could have taken bath. What a nice view. Today is sunny, still you will not feel that too much hot. Because weather is like that only.
So, how you are feeling?
Oh, it's very nice.
So, wow, nice air is coming right here. See, so much beautiful. It's like, yeah. You know what is the time? It's 1 o'clock. Still, we don't feel that sunny actually.
But we don't have any other extra dress for you.
Yeah. Woo!
Look at the view of the lake. There are a lot of friends actually.
Mandaragiri Hills, locally known as Basadi Betta. Behind the hill is a beautiful lake known as Maidalakiri. The calm waters along with dense forests and mighty hills make for a perfect spot to sit and enjoy your awesome morning.
Hi, Mani. Hi.
Hello viewers! Let's explore a beautiful hilly area of Karnataka near Bengaluru. For one day trip, this is going to be a very exciting trip. Can you guess the place? Yes, you are absolutely correct. It is Mandaragiri Hills, located just 75 kilometers away from Bengaluru. Mandaragiri is situated in Tumkur district, and this Tumkur district is famous for production of coconut.
Hey guys, we are on the top of the Mandaragiri hills.
Yeah,
See
it's
the
a very
view?
awesome place. So, it's like a trekking place. Right, Manu, you enjoy?
Already we stepped up 450 steps. This is the view.
Come to Noida. Here we will send the
Hi, Mani. Say hi to everyone, Mani. Bye. Chalo, we'll go inside the temple. Bye. This is inside temple. Many small temples are there. In top, there are many temples you can't imagine. And inside temple also it's very nice. Just now we went inside and we came back. I'm just taking the view.
Photo is going on.
Mandaragiri Temple Complex is an important Jain pilgrimage center. Named after Mallinatha, the hilltop has 4 25th century temples and one stupa enclosed in a massive stone wall with paintings of Tirthankaras.
This is the Mahavir temple. Oh, this is the tree. It's not a real.
Now see
It's a metal tree.
what amazing
You know?
thing you will find. See,
Now
look,
you'll
look,
see.
see,
Oh.
so many people are praying. Good home.
No, they are. Oh, they are not real. Oh, nicely made. It's very nice.
The beautifully designed Jain temple, Guru Mandir, is the main attraction in Mandaragiri.
Some temples are there. This is the view. Small temples. All are Mahavir temples. See?
The temples on the hill reflect the rich history of Jainism in Karnataka. Pilgrims visit the site for its spiritual significance and tranquil ambience.
Serene Fort, yeah. All are Mahavir temples.
Mandaragiri Hills in Tumkur, Karnataka are open from 6 am to 6 pm. The temple at the base of the hill is open from 6:30 am to 10 am and then 3:30 pm to 6 pm Monday to Friday. On weekends it is open from 6:30 am to 6 pm.
It's a Mahavir temple. It's many Mahavir statues are there. Bhagavan Mahavira Swami
See how cold here you will feel. See?
Shamava Shanana. Wow. If you walk on it, it's
It's like morning time when you
It's
come,
pleasant.
you will find it very nice. People start actually at morning 5.
take off.
Yes. Yes. Wow. Mani, come here. Mani, come here. Mani, come here.
Beta.
Wow.
Beta means here. Beta means hills.
See, so beautiful. See?
Mani beta.
Hi, Shubham. Mani, come from there. Bye.
Bye, Mani.
So, Mandaragiri Hills is a great option for a one-day trip from Bengaluru, offering a peaceful escape from the city and a chance to explore Jain heritage and natural beauty. It is a popular destination for nature lovers, trekkers, and those interested in Jain heritage. The trek to the top of Mandaragiri Hills is short and easy, suitable for beginners and families. The view from the top offers stunning vistas of the surrounding landscape, including Maidala Lake.
Yeah, we are going down now.
Now let us go down.
Let's complete 450 steps.
How many steps?
450 steps. You already climbed up 450 steps. Now getting down is very too easy.
Huh? Bye.
Hi, Mani. See, look at the view from top.
The best time to visit Mandaragiri Hills is during the cooler months from October to March to enjoy pleasant weather for trekking and sightseeing.
Middle white one. It's also Beta. Beta means hills. Oh, this peacock temple.
So beautiful Now we will enter inside the peacock. Okay? Come.
Money, let's go.
Mandaragiri Peacock Temple is famous for its unique and striking architecture. Here you will realize a very peaceful, pleasant environment.
This is the Mandagiri hills. Here we went up. You can see that if you can zoom and you can see almost 450 steps are there. Already we went up and now we came down and going inside the peacock temple. But today it's too sunny. It's too hot also. But feeling good. It's a nice experience.
No, they don't allow.
Naguru Mandir, a peacock feather shaped Jain temple dedicated to the Digambara Jain monk Chandranatha Tirthankara, is an architectural marvel. Goodbye, friends, and plan a combined trip to Mandaragiri Hills, the temples, and the lake for a wholesome experience.